Welcome to the Alertis activation tutorial for preset users and Alertis dispatchers. For this tutorial, we will be going over how to send activations via the Alertis web console, the Alertis rapid response console, and the Alertis communication control unit. Do note that only certain users will be able to activate certain alerts. Your organization's Alertis system administrator will provide you with specific details regarding this information. To send alerts via the Alertis console, you will access the console via a web browser. Enter your organization's Alertis console URL into the address bar and log in using your credentials that was provided to you by your organization's Alertis system administrator. Accessing the Alertis console is done via web browser. Your company's Alertis console URL is usually your company's name, .alertis.com. You will need your Alertis login credentials to access the console, and this will be provided to you by your organization's Alertis system administrator. Depending on your user role and access rights, your screen may appear differently. For example, preset-only users may only have access to preset activations, reports, support, and log out. Our standard users, also known as Alertis dispatchers, may have access to other alert types, as well as other features and functions. Let's start by sending a rapid activation. These are usually activated during pre-planned emergency events. Click on Rapid Activation. On the Rapid Activation screen, you will first choose your message text from pre-canned messages by clicking on the drop-down button. The text will generate in the text box below. Notice the settings regarding priority, duration, and recipients have already been pre-configured. Simply click on Continue to be taken to the confirmation screen that will show you the details of the alert, including the message text, as well as the delivery methods and devices targeted. To send the alert, click Send. To send a pre-configured alert for specific scenarios, you will use a preset activation. Click on Preset Activation. This alert type has also already been pre-configured. You may see a quick access section where you'll be able to access the alerts that have already been preset, or click on the drop-down to select the appropriate alert. The text of the alert will appear in the text box below. Click on Continue to be taken to the confirmation screen. On the confirmation screen, you will be able to see the details of the alert, including message text, duration, as well as delivery methods and targeted devices. Click on Send to send the alert. If you are an Alertis dispatcher or standard user, you may or may not be able to send a custom activation. These are customizable alerts that are individually specified by the user. Click on Custom Activation. You will have the ability to choose from pre-canned message texts, as well as set the duration for your alert. This can be done by minutes, hours, or days. You also have the option of choosing to start your alert now or schedule it for a future date or time. If you have multiple alerts going simultaneously, you may want to choose a priority for this alert. After selecting your message text, you will be asked to specify delivery methods. You can do so by individually selecting alert services by clicking on the drop-down and making your selections. If required, you may only be able to choose from a pre-existing alert profile. These have been pre-configured for certain alert services. You will then be prompted to choose your recipients. You will be able to target every alertist device by clicking on the All checkbox or specifying specific groups by selecting the appropriate groups from the dropdown, or target specific units. You will be able to select the specific unit from the dropdown. Please note that you are only able to choose one type of delivery method. If necessary and you have access, you may choose to filter recipients further by geolocation by using the map interface. Once you have chosen your delivery methods, click on Continue. On the confirmation screen, you will see the details of your alert regarding message, duration, delivery methods, and chosen recipients. To send the alert, click on Send. Depending on your user role and access rights, you may be able to cancel active alerts. If there are any alerts active, you will see an active alerts window appear in red at the bottom of your alerts console. Click on the arrow to open up the window to view the details of the active alerts. You can choose to cancel individual alerts by clicking Cancel within the alert, or you can cancel all active alerts by clicking on Cancel All on the upper right-hand side of the active alerts window. You'll be asked to confirm whether you want to cancel the alerts. And now there are no active alerts. And again, depending on your user role and access rights, you may or may not be able to view reports that will provide you with historical and real-time information regarding your alert history, whether or not the alerts have been acknowledged, which devices were activated, as well as device status. For more information on which reports you will have access to or may need access to, please see your organization's Alertist System Administrator. This concludes the Alertist Console activation demonstration. The Rapid Response Console is usually a desk or wall-mounted device. You may be required to use a PIN to activate alerts using the Rapid Response Console. Your organization's Alertist System Administrator will provide you with information regarding which individuals will be able to activate alerts using this console.
For a live voice alert, select one of the live voice preset options from the home screen. If prompted, enter your PIN code. Review the details of the alert and press Activate. Press Activate again on the confirmation prompt. Once the alert is active, press Start Speaking to record live voice. To end the live voice without canceling the alert, press Mute. To end the alert, press Done Speaking. Then click Return to Home. Select a preset alert from the available alerts in the center of the home screen. If prompted, enter your PIN code. Review the details of the alert and press Activate. Confirm the activation by pressing Activate again. To cancel an active alert, press Cancel on the lower right-hand corner of the screen. Enter your PIN code if prompted. Press Yes on the Cancel Active Alert confirmation prompt.
The Communication Control Unit is used to monitor and control high-powered speaker arrays. Your organization's Alertus System Administrator will provide you with more information regarding which individuals will be responsible for using this device to send alerts.
To broadcast live audio on the CCU unit, first make sure that the live audio option is selected in the Start menu. Press OK. You'll be prompted with what selection method you would like to use, whether it is all units, a group of units, or individual units. Select which targeting type is appropriate for your alert. You'll be provided a list of options. For each option that you'd like to select, use the cursor to navigate to the option, press OK, and you'll notice a change to the right side of the selected unit. When you have all units that you wish to target selected, press Confirm. It will give you a screen indicating which units are selected and the alert being played, in this case live audio. We're going to go over to Yes and press OK. There'll be a brief waiting screen while it prompts the unit to perform live audio. The attached microphone to the left of the screen is used for performing the audio. There is a button on the side used to turn on and off the audio. This is live audio. When you are finished, press OK over the cancel prompt. You'll be prompted if you'd like to cancel the audio. Go ahead and select Yes and hit OK. This will conclude your live audio broadcast. To use a preset activation on the CCU unit, use the arrows to select the activation prompt. Press OK. Choose the preset selection that you would like to use. You'll be prompted with a set of options for selection: all, group, or unit. Choose the selection type that's appropriate for your alert. You'll be given a list of options. You can navigate the options with the arrow keys. Pressing OK on an option will change the cursor to the right to indicate that it has been selected. Once you have all of the targets that you want selected, navigate back up to confirm and press OK. You'll be prompted with a screen telling you what alert is being performed and what units are being targeted. Go ahead and press Yes if it is the proper alert. There'll be a brief waiting screen, and then your preset alert will be sent to the selected units. To cancel the alert, press OK over the Cancel button. You'll be prompted with a cancel prompt. Move the arrow over to Yes and press OK. The alert has been canceled. perform a silent test on the CCU unit, navigate down to the silent test option and press OK. You'll be prompted with a set of options for what you would like to select. Choose the selection type that is most appropriate for your test. You'll be given a list of options. Select from the list by moving the cursor down and press OK to change the indicator to the right of the list item. Once you've selected all of the list items that you'd like to target, move back up to the confirm prompt and press OK. You'll be given a screen that shows what is being performed, the silent test, as well as the targeting. In this case, one unit has been selected. Move the arrow over to yes and press OK. The silent test performs autonomously, so no other inputs will be necessary during the test.
We're not canceling it, right?
There you go. Silent test has been concluded.
If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us by phone or email, or visit our website at www.alertus.com, or visit the customer portal at help.alertus.com.